7th consecutive year, Delhi becomes the pollution capital of the world. Just because you have an air purifier at your workplace or at home does not mean that you will not suffer from effects of pollution. Is it time to leave Delhi? The last 4 months of the year, starting post Diwali, whether it is Parali, Pataka, pollution, these are terms that we see on TV debates, but more importantly, the difficulty in breathing is what we see not just in the hospitals, not just in our routine practice, not just amongst our elderly and children, but to every individual residing in Delhi. So, friends, this is serious. It is taking proportions which are going out of hand, and until the government and the entire society works together, we will not solve this. So, till we are able to solve this, we as lung experts want to appeal to you. Please take care of your lungs until your environment becomes better. So, 5 things that I will talk about today. Number 1, protect your vulnerables, whether it is your children, the younger ones, or the elderly. They are both susceptible to much more harm from this pollution. The kids are developing asthma and it is exploding. Protect them. Number 2, do not go out in a polluted environment unless it is absolutely necessary. And when it becomes absolutely necessary, please remember, take as many precautions as you can. They used to say masks, but no, masks are not the solution. Masks cannot protect the PM 2.5 particles from going lower down in your airways. So, if you want to wear a mask which protects you from a pollution, it has to be an aerated mask like this, a huge mask which you see in your sci-fi movies, to be able to prevent rebreathing and protect you from PM 2.5 particles. Number 3, you have to stay hydrated. Every mechanism of your body has the capacity to remove the dirty particles if you are hydrated and you support your body in this journey. So always stay hydrated. Number 4, and very important, just because you have an air purifier at your workplace or at home does not mean that you will not suffer from effects of pollution. So if you have an air purifier and still you are having that dry irritating cough or skin irritation in your eyes, you cannot think that these are all things that happen to others. You are having symptoms, you should visit a specialist. Number 5, the most important, keep a watch on your symptoms, especially if you already have underlying lung disease. Whether you had TB as a kid, whether you're a known case of asthma, whether you have chronic obstructive airway disease, if you're a chronic smoker, if you have had treatment, chemo, or radiation therapy for any cause, these are all diseases which can flare up and cause more trouble during the pollution months of Delhi. So please do take care and visit a specialist if you have any or all of the symptoms which are unusually more prominent than otherwise. A very frequent question that a lot of people ask us is it safe to take a vaccine? Vaccine and pollution are unrelated. Vaccine will protect you from a lot of common cold-related viral illnesses. So there is no contraindication to not take vaccine if you are living in a polluted city. The last question that a lot of my patients have asked me is it time to leave Delhi? My answer as a clinician is yes. But as a person who lives in Delhi, I really want to impress upon you, request you, let us fight this pollution together. Let's get involved with the government. Let's participate in policy making decisions. Let's do our own bit. But walking away, running away will not save us from pollution, because the entire Gangetic belt is suffering from this pollution. Blaming like the system does is not the solution. We have to come together to find constructive solutions. And until then, I request you, please do take care of your lungs. in this time of active pollution. Thank you.